Hey everyone, let's make a super quick and easy Tempeh Goreng Kicap. The first thing we're going to need are 2 red onions. We're going to peel the skin and slice the onions up. They don't have to be super fine. If you like more onions, feel free to add more. There are no rules with the stir fry. Next, let's get a bulb of garlic, break it, and let's gather 4 cloves. Crush them with the back of our knife and let's peel and slice them up. Arrange them to the side and let's move on to our chili padi or bird's eye chilies. We are using 4 green ones and 4 red ones. Just cut them in half and leave the stem on. Then get a big red chili and slice thinly. Set these aside and let's cut our tempeh. We're using 400 grams of homemade tempeh. Cut them into any shape that you like, but usually they're cut into thin strips like this. And that's all the chopping we have to do. Get a pot, wok or pan on the heat and cover with enough oil for shallow frying the tempeh. Carefully arrange the tempeh into one layer and fry until both sides are golden and crunchy. Alternatively, you can also coat them in oil and roast them in the oven. Once cooked, drain on a plate lined with a paper towel. Scoop some of the excess oil out and let's start frying our aromatics. First the red onions and chilies. Once they glisten and start smelling super fragrant, add in 3 sprigs of curry leaves, just the leaves of course, and then toss in the big chilies and the garlic. Give everything a good stir. You may need a tiny splash of water just to help it along if it gets too dry. Cook until everything is well caramelized, then let's pour in 1/3 of a cup of sweet soy sauce or kicap lemak manis. Add in 1 tablespoon of vegetarian oyster sauce and about 2 teaspoons of mushroom seasoning. Lastly, add all of the fried tempeh and stir to coat in the sauce. Spoon into our serving platter and serve with rice. All done! For more tempeh recipes, watch these videos next and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.